In this video, we are looking Rostow stage of economic growth. This is a major historical growth model given by Walt Whitman Rostow in 1960. In this model, Rostow give 5 stages of economic growth. The first one is a traditional society. Second one is precondition for takeoff. Third one is takeoff stage, and fourth one is drive to maturity stage, and last fifth is age of high mass consumption. So we are looking in detail in every stages. The first one is traditional society. In this stage, simplest and most primitive forms of society and high proportion of workforce in agriculture, no centralized or political system, industrial growth limited, and investment is below 5%. The second stage is precondition for takeoff. In this stage, progressive element creep into society, the means the country change from agriculture sector to industrial sector slowly. Economic progress take place. Investment rises to reach between 5 to 10%. Decline in birth rate due to awareness and advancement in the society. There is a decline in the birth rate and entry of credit institution for saving purpose. After this, the third stage, takeoff stage. This is the most important stage in Rostow economic growth model. It is also called dynamic economic growth stage. Investment is now above 10%. Urbanization and industrialization increases. Technological breakthrough happen. India reached the takeoff stage in third financial year plan. The fourth stage is drive to maturity. Industrial sector dominant and primary sector has dominated. Investment should be between 10 to 20%. After 40 or 60 years, we reach this stage. Dependence on other economic is reduced and standard of living has greatly improved in this stage. And the last stage, age of mass consumption. People have lot of time for leisure and per capita income and standard of living has also improved. People tend to more spend more on luxurious item. National income has improved greatly because we are producing a wide scale of product. Investment is now 20%. So this is all 5 stage of Rostow growth model, and in this diagram we can see how these 5 stages happen. Thank you.